Uh, Hello, my name is Bruno. I come from Spain. No, I'm 25. Yeah, sorry. Hello, I'm Bruno. I'm 25 years old and I come from Galicia in Spain. I studied journalism and translation, and now I'm working as a volunteer in the organization PiNA in Koper in Slovenia, where I mostly work with multimedia. I basically work with multimedia, so I do mostly photography, video, I do also some animation, I did some project management, some training for youngsters and other volunteers, and a lot of stuff in general. In my first experience abroad, I met a lot of people who were in EVS, so basically all my friends were EVSs, and I was amazed by the happy and easygoing way of living they were experimenting, and I started feeling very curious about this project, and so I decided that next year I would do an EVS, but I started postponing it and postponing it. Finally, it took me 7 years to decide myself, but finally I did it. And also, I did a short-term EVS in the same place where I'm working now, and I kind of fell in love with the project and the vibe, and decided that was something I really wanted to do, something that I really want to experience by myself, like for a whole year. It was quite easy to get involved in EVS. I just had to contact the host organization, but I already knew them, so that was quite easy. And applied for it, created a book with my previous work, just filled the form, and also later I had to find a sending organization, which I already knew, an organization that was involved in European projects. That's pretty much it. Just sign a couple papers, get plane tickets, and done. Yeah. I think EVS is a great opportunity to meet new people. Like, you meet a lot of people from all around Europe and outside of Europe too, which is a great opportunity for networking. And also I did the work I really like to do. I'm very grateful for it, because now I may have a possibility to get into this sector as a professional. Also, I really like the fact of being completely immersed in a different culture, in a totally different country, so you need to open up to get used to this, and you really get to feel part of the local community. I think that's one of the most important experiences. That's one of the most important experiences I've had here.